How to add Telegram group links. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Click on search bar at the top. And then if you have any group links, you can paste the link in the URL search bar at the top. After you do that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. If you click on View in Telegram, it will directly lead you to Telegram and you will find Join option and you will be able to join it. But if you have any group links, you can also click on the link and it will open the group. But if not, this is the best way to simply add Telegram group links. This is how to add Telegram group links. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.